Hi, welcome to SolidWorks 1819 video tutorial. I want to do that ground plate drawing in SolidWorks. We've got that section cut, the section view, we've got baseline dimensions, we've got fake dimensions, we've got surface finishing, we got fits and hidden lines. So let's have fun with SolidWorks. So let's start with our assembly and go to File and Make Drawing from Assembly. Select Drawing and I go for A3 and OK. Now I got a front view. I could drag this here, but I will get problems if I later want to add a projected view. It will not be aligned, so I will do it in a different way. I will just close this and go to Model View, browse to my assembly, open it and put it right there. Okay, and then I see the projection angle is wrong. So just confirm, go to sheet format, right click, go to properties and switch from third to first angle, apply changes. Now if I go for projected view, it's aligned and it's okay. Now in order to just see the ground plate, go to drawing view 1 and just hide those components, including, of course, those pattern ones. Same for the second one. Hide these and here as well. Hide components. Great. I will need ISO view and I want to have a section view. Maybe let's start with that ISO view. So go to Model View. That should be, or is it? No, go to Browse, go to your Assembly, open, and I want an isometric or current model view. Let's see, what's my current model view? I'll go for trimetric, go for preview. No, the current model view would be, that's more like it. Yeah, okay, and confirm. Now again, just hide all those components you don't want to see. Of course, you could hide those components in the assembly as well. So go here, sorry. Come on. Right click, show hide, hide component, and I got my ISO view. Now for my section view, I need section view. So zoom in and go for horizontal, select one center point, then go for notch offset, like this and like that, and then put it right there, confirm. Let's go for auto hatching and OK, and move it up there and confirm. Now let's move this up and this one up as well, maybe like that. Let's take a look here, should be okay. Now for my dimensions, go to annotations and go to Smart Dimension, or you could go for a baseline dimension, and this should go from that center point to this center point, that center point, and this center point, but that didn't work out. So let's undo this and make first center marks. One here, one there, here, 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 over there, and there. Confirm, and now go for baseline dimension. Now you could maybe select this one, that one, this one, that one, and I don't want these, and that's kind of odd. You have to do it separately for those as well. Next one would be from this one to that one. Let's align it like this. Okay. I need one dimension from this circle to that circle. That one. And let's make this one over here as well, from this line to that line, like that. Now let's see if we can do them all together. Okay, and change to 0. That works. And move it over here. Next dimension is from this circle to that circle. That's 75. And again, none. And it will always be dragged back. Now you see you could align those. It snaps. Okay. Now another one here. 15, again it's just with no precision, more than 0. So next one would be this one, and if you drag it like this, you got it vertical aligned, and again precision none. Okay, let's drag this over here. Let's take a look. Oh, hidden lines are missing here, so let's go for our hidden lines. Not here, but select the view and go for hidden lines visible. So these are without. Don't use parent style. Go for this one, and same here. Don't use parent style, but this one. Okay, I need a center line here, so go for center line like this, and too many center lines. I need only that one in the middle. Center line here, that's okay, and remove this one. So what's next? The one 150. I got this one. I got those. Let's move this back down. That's kind of odd because it always jumps and refreshes somehow. Now smart dimension, or let's say baseline dimension. Zoom in from this line to that line to this one, and that's really annoying. So 0, move this up, move that one up as well. Okay, another one here, and there I would need a symbol, so click here, go for diameter, and again not the document precision but 0. I need one here, and there I would need a fake one here and a fake one there, because there are no threads, because that part wasn't modeled with SolidWorks. Now here I need a fit, so go to fit, and that one would be, yeah, H7. Okay, but it should be aligned like this. We'll need another one here, so go there, put it here, and again precision should be none, and I will need another fit. In this case I think it's that one, and I should go for H11. Okay, and again like this. Nice. Now in order to make these fake, just remove this, yes, and give it M10, and same here, remove that one and give it M12 and confirm. So what's missing? Of course my surface finishing is missing, so let's draw this a little bit over here. So go to surface finish. I need that without this one, I need that one, so okay. I need it with an angle. I will go for multi-choke because it aligns better, and switch to straight line. Click here and drag it up and put it right there. And I need a value, and the value would be 1.6. Okay, so that should be without that arrow, but that's not possible somehow. So I switch it to leader and straight leader. It's not quite aligned, so I will remove it and try it once more. Go for surface finish, put that 1.6 here, deselect this and make it with an angle. Go to straight and go to this one, just click that line and drag it up and like this. Okay, confirm. Now just notice that precision is wrong, so change it to none. And I need two more down below. Surface finish. Again, this one. No. Yes. And it should be aligned like this. And I need node leader. Put it right there. Once, and another one over here. Confirm. Now let's change that to 3.2 and this one to 1.6. Now if you want to add parentheses, you have to trick it with text. So let's take a look, go for note. Yeah, size should be, put it right there, maybe like this, and make it one like this, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, and make it maybe 8 millimeter. But of course you have to do it like that and then go for 8 millimeter and confirm, and then move this up, and you might change this one to 10 millimeter and confirm. Yeah, and maybe like that. And I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook cat fan page. Would be very nice of you. I want to get more likes and subscriptions over there as well. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.